Runkeeper full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Runkeeper and related products are in the description. Runkeeper is a GPS-based running app designed for beginners and experienced runners who want to track their runs, set goals, and improve performance. Developed by ASICS, Runkeeper provides detailed tracking for pace, distance, time, and calories burned, making it a reliable tool for monitoring progress. The app offers guided workouts, personalized training plans, and audio coaching, helping users stay motivated during their runs. It supports various activities beyond running, such as walking, cycling, and hiking, making it a versatile fitness companion. Runkeeper also integrates with fitness wearables like Apple Watch, Garmin, and Fitbit for more accurate data tracking. One of Runkeeper's biggest strengths is its ease of use. The interface is simple and intuitive, allowing users to start tracking with just a few taps. The app's audio cues provide real-time updates on pace and distance, keeping users informed without needing to check their screens. Another major advantage is the personalized training plans, which adapt to a user's fitness level and goals, making it an excellent choice for those training for races or just looking to improve their endurance. The social and community features allow users to join challenges, compete with friends, and stay accountable. Runkeeper also syncs with Spotify and Apple Music, letting users enjoy their playlists without leaving the app. However, Runkeeper does have some downsides. The free version offers basic tracking but lacks advanced analytics, custom training plans, and detailed performance insights, which are only available with the premium subscription, Runkeeper Go. GPS accuracy can also be inconsistent in areas with weak signals, leading to occasional tracking errors. Additionally, while the app offers training plans, it doesn't provide in-depth strength training or cross-training options, making it less comprehensive for users who want a well-rounded fitness program. Overall, Runkeeper is an excellent app for runners who want a simple, reliable, and motivating way to track their progress. If you're looking for a user-friendly app with solid tracking and training features, it's a great choice. However, if you need advanced analytics or a broader range of workouts, you might need a more feature-rich fitness app. Check out the links in the description to download Runkeeper and start tracking your runs today.